Summer has begun and
Hello guys, and welcome sa panibagong travel vlog. As you can see, nandito kami ngayon sa Clark Safari and Adventure Park, located of course inside Clark Freeport here in Mabalacat, Pampanga. So the good thing about Clark Safari is hindi sila nagre-require ng prior reservation. So you can just walk in and dito kayo mag-purchase ng ticket sa ticketing booth nila. So the entrance fee for adults is 499 pesos. And para naman sa mga children, 4 feet and below, it's 399 pesos. And free of charge naman para sa mga kids, 2 feet and below. And if you're planning to visit Clark Safari anytime soon, my number one tip for you guys is wear your sunscreen. Can also bring your umbrellas kasi sobrang init, especially dahil summer season. So, starting here at their reptile kingdom, yung unang-unang animal na nakita namin inside Clark Safari are these turtles. Actually, they have several species of turtles and tortoise. Hindi na lang talaga namin na video lahat because it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and sobrang init. So, ito na yung kanilang area for their farm animals. This is just above dun sa reptile kingdom nila. You can also experience yung magpakain ng mga sheep. Magbabayad lang kayo ng 50 pesos which includes yung grass para rin sa mga ponies as well as mga feeds para sa rabbits at saka sa turkey. This area is one of our favorites talaga here inside Clark Safari. So this is King, and he is one of the 2 brown bears that they have here inside. So per Kuya Zookeeper, he loves bananas, but particularly yung mga saging na saba daw yung favorite niya. So the next one, ito yung mga Hamadryas baboons nila. Medyo madami yung mga baboons nila on this area and sobrang cute! And also, kung nanonotice niya yung baboon na yan, yung nakaupo, sabi ni Kuya Zookeeper, yan daw yung alpha male nila. The next one, this is their white tiger cub encounter. Nagbayad kami dito ng extra 500 pesos which includes yung bottle feeding ng cub, photo ops, take-home souvenir gift, and print out of one picture. Here on this side, pwede kayong magpa-picture kasama yung mga birds. It's actually safe for the kids kasi hindi naman aggressive yung mga ibon. But if someone's brave enough, you can try na buhatin and magpa-picture kasama dito sa python snake. Sa side naman na ito are their horses. And the good thing is they actually rescued these horses from Taal. Ito yung mga Bengal tigers nila, and they also have these white tigers. They may probably look small sa video, but sa personal, sobrang laki talaga nila. Next one, ito naman yung kanilang mga male and female white lion. And next naming nakita are these northwestern wolves. Na-amaze kami kasi it's our first time to see wolves in person. And sobrang scary pala talaga nila. On this side, kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga animals nasa loob na ng glass enclosure. Again, first time naming nakakita ng hyena. And ito, nagpipacing na daw sila pag ganyan. Alam nila na malapit na silang mag-dinner around 5:45 in the afternoon. Na-amaze din kami kasi first time naming nakakita nitong caracal and this black-back jackal. And ito, another first time for us. This is one of their wolves, pero parang malaking version siya ng Siberian Husky. And the last one on this side, this is their jaguar.